So yeah, we are watching the latest with this storm as of the 7 p.m. advisory. Again, wind sustained at 70 miles per hour. And this is starting to look a little healthier, and that's obviously backed up by the numbers. We now see a stronger storm. Pressure is starting to drop. It is starting to get a little more well organized, and that was forecast to happen on approach to the southeast Texas coast. But you can see certainly a big improvement here in structure on radar. The eye is starting to form now within this storm. We've got an eye wall, so we are probably pretty close to this thing becoming a hurricane. And the main precip shield, the main shield of heavy rain on the north side of this storm, that is where the big brunt of our flooding concern and heavy wind is going to come into play. Now, the hurricane hunters were in this storm earlier. That was the first flight that went through. They found a max wind of 52 miles per hour. Second flight is in there right now. They found a max wind speed of 60 miles per hour. That's at flight level, by the way. So we extrapolate that down to the ground. It's actually even stronger. That flight is still in there. They're going to keep crisscrossing through the storm over the next hour or two, and they will likely find better organization as we get to the 10 p.m. update. So here's what we're concerned about with Beryl as it moves towards the southeast Texas coast. Hurricane force winds, coastal flooding due to storm surge, and then rain flooding for a good part of the area. Also an enhanced tornado risk through the overnight hours and getting into tomorrow as well. Let's take a look at those future track wind gusts as we get you into the overnight hours. Check this out. We could see winds upwards of 70, 80, maybe even 90 miles per hour. Gusts, not sustained, down to the coast, right along where that landfall takes place. That's around 4 to 5 a.m. Then as we get you into the mid-morning hours, we start to see the potential for hurricane force wind gusts across Harris County and the city of Houston. You could even see 70 mile per hour wind gusts up towards Tomball and Brenham. Conroe at 65 mile per hour wind gusts, not out of the question late morning for you. Things do start to improve, though, at the coast, and we will talk more about this and the rain threat in just a few minutes. Guys, back.